2's complement numbers have the advantage that addition works properly for both positive and negative numbers. Recall that when adding n-bit numbers, the carry out of the nth bit or the n plus 1th result bit is discarded. In 2's complement binary addition and subtraction, carry out of the most significant bit position is always discarded. In example 6, we will learn how to add 2's complement numbers. So in part A, we will add minus 2 base 10 to 1 base 10 using 2's complement numbers. Minus 2 base 10 is equal to 1110 base 2 in 2's complement form, and 1 base 10 is equal to 0001 base 2 in 2's complement form. So our result is 1111 base 2, which is equal to minus 1 base 10 in decimal number system. Now in part B, we will add decimal number minus 7 base 10 to positive decimal number 7 base 10 using 2's complement numbers. Minus 7 base 10 is equal to 1001 base 2 in 2's complement form, and 7 base 10 is equal to 0111 base 2 in 2's complement form, and the result is of 5 bits, that is 10000 base 2. The fifth bit, which is 1, is discarded, leaving the correct 4-bit result of 0000 base 2. In 2's complement binary number system, subtraction is performed by taking the 2's complement of the second number and then adding the both numbers. So in example 7, we will learn how to subtract 2's complement numbers. In part A, we will subtract 3 base 10 from 5 base 10, and in part B, we will subtract 5 base 10 from 3 base 10 using 4-bit 2's complement numbers. Since 3 base 10 is equal to 0011 base 2, taking its 2's complement to obtain minus 3 base 10 gives us 1101 base 2. Now, by adding 5 base 10 to 2's complement of minus 3 base 10 gives us 10010 base 2. Note that the carry out of the most significant position is discarded because the result is stored in 4 bits. In part B, the 2's complement of 5 base 10 to obtain minus 5 base 10 is 1011 base 2. Now by adding 3 base 10 to 2's complement of minus 5 base 10 gives us 1110 base 2, which is equal to minus 2 base 10 in decimal number system, which gives us the correct result. The 2's complement of 0 is found by inverting all the bits and adding 1 to the inverted bits, which produce all zeros. Carry out of the most significant bit position is disregarded. Hence, 0 is always represented with all zeros. For example, inverting 4-bit binary 0, that is 0000 base 2, gives us 1111 base 2. Then adding 1 to this number gives us 10000 base 2. By disregarding the most significant bit, that is 1, gives us the number 0000 base 2, which is the correct result. Unlike the sign magnitude number system, the 2's complement system has no separate negative 0. In 2's complement system, 0 is considered positive because its sign bit is 0. This is the end of our lecture. See you in next video.